Hello friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today we are talking about age-defining fresh haircut ideas. A good haircut can make you look younger, brighter and more confident. You don't need a big change. Small changes in length, layers and shape can refresh your whole look. First, let's understand what age-defining hair really means. It means hair that looks healthy, soft and full of life. Fresh haircuts add movement and lightness. They help remove heavy or dull styles. Now let's talk about what to look for in an age-defining haircut. Soft layers are very important. They add volume and movement. Face framing pieces help soften the face. Natural styles always look more youthful than stiff ones. Now let's talk about best age-defining ideas. Soft layered haircut. Soft layers make the hair look light and fresh. They add volume without making hair look messy. This haircut works well for all ages. Shoulder length haircut. Shoulder length hair is very flattering. It is easy to manage and looks modern. This length makes the face look lifted and fresh. Long bob haircut. The long bob, also called a lob, is very popular. It sits between the chin and shoulders. This haircut is stylish, simple and youthful. Face framing layers highlight the eyes and cheekbones. They soften lines of the face. This style looks natural and fresh. Cotton bangs are soft and light. They open in the middle and frame the face. They help hide fine line and add a youthful touch. Short hair can also look young and fresh. Choose a style with volume on top. Avoid very flat or sharp cuts. Soft waves give a relaxed and youthful look. They add movement and life to the hair. Natural texture always looks fresh. Avoid heavy styling products. Choose a haircut that suits your hair type. Trim your hair regularly to keep it healthy. Remember, age is just a number. The right haircut helps you feel confident and beautiful. Fresh hair brings fresh energy. Keep visiting my channel for more designs and more ideas. You can see my ideas, you can enjoy my videos. You can visit my channel and see more collection about women fashion. Stylish haircut ideas you can see in this my video. Every design is different, one another beautiful and attractive. If you enjoyed this video, please like, share and subscribe to my channel. Tell me in the comments which haircut you like the most. So friends, thanks for watching my video. See you again with beautiful collection. Till then, Allah Hafiz.